This is Ian Lamont. I've been an independent publisher for over 10 years, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a book from sale in Apple Books using iTunes Connect, which is Apple's ebook publishing platform. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and subscribe, and let's get started. So we're looking at iTunes Connect, and if you're new to the Apple Books ecosystem, just be aware that iTunes Connect and the whole publishing process for Apple iBooks or Apple Books is very different than Amazon KDP. So anything you've learned through Amazon KDP, do not assume that the same rules apply here. And that is true for unpublishing titles or taking a book off sale, which I'm going to show you right now. So one thing you need to understand, Apple actually has two separate tools for publishing books to Apple Books. One of them is iTunes Connect, and the other one's called iTunes Producer. And we're using iTunes Connect, which is a website. You can see the URL right here. I'm going to click on My Books, and you're presented with the catalog of books that you have that are published and not published. And in my case, what I'm going to do today is, this is a new book, Social Security in 30 Minutes. It's the second edition. What I want to do is remove the first edition from sale. So what I need to do is use the search engine down here to find the old book and then go in and basically remove it from sale. They use different language than KDP. Amazon KDP, despite its fault, is actually, I think, pretty easy to use. iTunes Connect, you're not really sure from the language if you're doing the right thing. So I'm going to walk you through it. So the first thing is, let's find the old edition of that book. The search engine on iTunes Connect is terrible. Sometimes you'll search for a word that you know should show up, like Social Security, and you won't even see any results. So what I found works almost all the time is using the full name of the author. So that's Emily Pogue, and then clicking search. So you can see 3 titles show up, and actually what this is, it's the old edition, the first edition of this book, which is a 2-volume set, as well as the new book. So I've already unpublished one of the old editions for the volume 2, but I still need to do volume 1. And if the 2 books have a similar title, basically what you need to do is you have to take a look at the Apple ID or the ISBN and match it up and make sure that you're editing the right one. So in this case, this is the new one. You can see it says on one store. This is the old one. The other thing you can see is the Apple ID for the old one is much lower than the Apple ID for the new one. So this is the one that I want to edit. I want to remove it from sale. I'm going to click on that title. The other thing about iTunes Connect is it's really slow. This service hasn't changed in probably, I don't know, more than 5 years. I've been using it for more than 10 years, and it's just really slow and clunky. So you come to this particular page. This basically shows the information about the book. There's no obvious link or checkbox to remove from sale something or delete it. Actually, where you have to go is rights and pricing. That doesn't seem intuitive, but that's just the way Apple does it. Okay, this shows all the places where the book is selling. I'm going to click Edit Countries, Regions, and Pricing. Again, that's not intuitive. It's not really clear that you're removing something from sale. And then here, like looking at these different options that you have here, is anything obvious about where you can unpublish the book or make it not available for sale? And no. The only hint is it says cleared for sale. This is the one you want. It says no change. And basically, since it's currently published, what we're actually telling iTunes Connect to do is to change it from no. So no, it is not cleared for sale. That basically means the book will be removed from sale, or it's not deleted from the catalog because it's still, the data is still there, but it's just basically no one can buy it. That's what I want. So I'm going to select no. I'm going to scroll down, and then what you have to do is you have to apply to existing countries or regions. And I have something like 51 countries or regions here. The easy thing to do here is just click select all. So I've selected every single country and region. And by the way, if for some reason like I wanted to keep this book available in Romania, I would just make sure that it's not checked off, but I do want to delete it from Romania too. And then click continue. So there's nothing here that makes it clear whether or not it's available for sale. Like cleared for sale, it doesn't say no. It doesn't say anything. And you see this green check mark and you're thinking, oh, it looks like it's still published. That's not the case. You need to confirm. Okay, your changes have been saved. It's still not clear if this book is available, but you can see the status changing not on store. That's exactly what you want. You see that little red mark? That's good. And then what you could also do is you could just check by going back to my books, doing the search again. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the link, the iTunes link, or see if there's an iTunes link available, iTunes link or iBooks link or Apple Books link, and just make sure that it's not there. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I have the link somewhere else, so let's take a look at that instead. So this is the website for the old book, and you can see I have some links set up here. So it's this one right here, retirement benefits. So I'm going to click on the Apple link and see what it says. No, it says it's still available, or it indicates that I can purchase it. So I'm going to have to come back and check to see, make sure that this is not active. Actually, let's see the other one, the older version. Yes, okay. So the other volume, you can see the book is no longer available in Apple Books. So at this point, I'm satisfied that the books will be not published, and our job is done. For more information on how to get the most out of using different publishing platforms such as Amazon KDP or Apple Books, go to my website, leemedia.org, click on blog, and then search for books or publishing. You'll see lots of results there. And thank you so much for watching.